Hi crafty friends, thank you for joining me. Well, this is the video that I promised I would do last week. Time just slipped me by, so I thought I would do it together. So I'm hoping this is actually what I think it is. Yeah. Beautiful. So these are gorgeous little ink pads. So in each set there's 3 chalks and a metallic. So I've been wanting to try these for ages. I've managed to track them down. So I thought I would turn on the camera and show you what I think of them. Yeah, I can really see that metallic. That's, I don't know whether you can see that picking up on there. That's just reminds me of a peacock's tail. Really pretty. So I'm gonna grab one of my little flowers that I made earlier. If anyone would like to see how to make these, there is a video, so I will try and remember to link it below. So this is the watermelon, cherry blossom, cherry red, bubblegum pink. Let's see how juicy they are. Oh, nice. And there is a shimmer to them. So I'm just going to take my ink pad and I'm just going to brush around the petals, and you can see where I've gone around the edge of the petal with a ball tool just to break up the fibres. You're getting a lot more prominent colouring of the ink on there. I'm really impressed with them. Alright, so this is the black set, which is Black Raven, Shadow Grey, Powder White and a Shiny Silver. Then I have Calm Night, Sailor Suit, Lavender Love, Mellow Mint, Spanish Oranges, Peachy Cheeks, Here Comes the Sun, Tuscan Gold, Passion Purple, Radiant Rose, Sweetie Pie, Purple Petal, and then greens, Pine Green, Morning Dewdrop, Fresh Apple Green and Techno Green. So I will give these a really good testing. I'll have a thorough play with them this week and I will report back and let you know what I think of them. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. Bye bye.